So let's see if disassembling and cleaning and doing all the other good stuff that people say on their channels will fix my controller. See now, guys, that's a big problem. I'm not touching the controller. Yeah, and apparently I got burned and I got scratched, so it looks like I got mugged in an alley. Not yet. Anywho, hey guys, how's it going? Lazy B, what the fuck? Anyway, hey, how's it going? It is me, Lazy B. Guys, you are, and gals. We have a problem. We have a big problem. And the problem is Joy-Con drift. Not Joy-Con, PlayStation 5 drift. They're using the same material. I am going to try different types of fixes. One of them will be, and the other one will be, we'll see. I am hoping that the first ones, the first attempts with this won't fix it. So we'll try the more advanced stuff, but we'll see. Anywho, let's dig into it. Pulling up those two. Okay, yeah. They're pulled up. Then you rotate them one side, other side. You can also use this. And that's for some reason supposed to clean it. Let's see. Nope, does not help. So, because I threw it already once on the floor, the screw there dislocated, and now I cannot really put it back together normally, but we're gonna go in. We're going in. All right. So first of all, method 1 did not work. We're gonna disassemble it. Because this one is broken, I would need to do tricks. I need to take the screw from here, from inside. Here we go. Ow. I think we need to remove the L1 and R1 buttons. I saw a tutorial, I don't remember it all the way through, but we're gonna go with what I do remember. Yeah. Bonk. They just pop out easily peasily. So yeah, there's no fix that doesn't, well, besides what you saw in the beginning, there's no other fix that lets you not open the controller. You can, what I'm doing now, you can try and open it and clean it from inside, or you can open it and change the joystick. There's nothing, well, you can go and do some, check if the software is the latest software on the controller. I think this is a bunch of copium, because almost every controller when it's plugged in gets the updates in the background, so I don't think that's a possibility to fix it. But then again, who knows? There's a software, I think there's a software on PC and in in games, depending on the game. Not all games have it, which you can like control your dead zone and then it helps, but it's not a fix. We need a fix. We need a pure fix. Those are gonna be the two top ones. Two top ones. Come on. Okay, it's not on there. Oh, now we have those two. Come on. Eh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. All right. Yeah. Okay. Really? How? There's something stuck. You cannot open it for some reason. Oh, here we go. There's probably a clips somewhere inside here. This is me kind of following the tutorial, but also doing it from the top of my head. Oh shit, okay. This is fine. This is the battery. We just disconnect it. We just disconnect it. Okay, very good. Going to take some tweezers and pull the mic up. Probably it would work better if the tweezers won't bend. All right. Here we go. This goes with the mic cover there. Then you have another mic inside for some reason. Not being very careful with the mic because I'm not using voice chat on my PlayStation 5. If I do, I connect my PlayStation 5 to the PC and use Discord. I don't use the voice chat that's built into the PlayStation 5, so I don't care if it breaks, if the microphone breaks or not. I have another controller if I want to hear all the noises that are coming from the mic. So not really bummed if it's not going to work, but you probably should be a little bit more careful with the ribbons that are holding the mic and connecting it to the PCB. God damn it. Oh shit. I disconnected it from both sides. Oh shit. Okay, let's do it here. All right. Oh, I bent it. I bent it. Shit. Hopefully it will work still. Yeah, this one goes. This one should go inside here. Probably. All right. Yeah. Removing this one, and that removes the plate that should hold the battery that's not in it. Why did I remove it? I do not freaking know. I thought they were going for an HD thing. Maybe those are kind of HD vibrators. That's what she said. Maybe it's an HD vibrator. Who knows? I mean, the stuff that creates vibrations in the controller, YouTube. What are you thinking about? Sheesh. Okay, alright. Oh, there's another cable here That's lovely. Do we need it to be connected? We do not. Oh, that's for the pad. The touchpad on the controller. Come on. Those tweezers are useless. Let me find some other tweezers. Okay, those ones are at least made of some kind of steel. Not whatever the other one was. So those ones should work. They do not work. What the frick? What are they made of? What are those ribbons made of? What the what's going on here? Here we go. It's disconnected. Thank you. And now we reveal the mothership. Whoops. One. Whoops. Second one. We're gonna spin it. We are going also to clean it. This is not the right Joy-Con, but a joystick, but let's clean it also. Why not? Okay, so disassemble it until this point and move it around, clean it. Some say put a pad underneath it. I cannot see how you can do that. The only other thing that you can do to fix it, and I'm not gonna do it, is removing a joystick, and this is soldering it over here and putting a new one instead of this one. So you need a soldering iron, which I do not have. I'm quite good at it, even though I used this soldering iron probably in high school. Yeah, something like that. But I was good at it. It's not a difficult thing. You need to just be a little bit careful and just remove the joystick you don't need. The joystick that has the drift, of course, and put a new one instead. So hopefully everything works. We're just gonna put it back in. I've dealt with ribbon cables like this before, but those ones are pretty tricky. They're very hard to get off and to put back in. Okay, putting back in this one is pretty easy. The small one was a problem. Hopefully the mics are also easy to put back in. And yeah, it is the way it is. Okay, let's put the one in the front first. That'll make stuff much easier for us. Okay. You open it, there's an indent on one of the sides. This is where the block part goes, and the circle part goes on top to be pretty on the front here. Okay, here we go. Very good. This one, god damn it. This one just goes like this and goes inside there to put it in its place. Very cool. Okay, let's say that it's in. And let's put the other one in. And let's let's leave it like this for now. We're gonna connect. No, we cannot leave it like this. Let's squish it together. Okay. Boop. It did not help. It did not help. But the controller works. All the buttons work. How do I... Oh, I cannot press those like this. Let's try like that. Yeah, they do work, and well, shoot, this one probably also works, but it turns on the PlayStation 4, the PlayStation 5, sorry. And the mics, I don't know if they work or not. I kind of didn't go gentle with them. Okay, this button works, the one that's supposed to mute, it takes screenshots for Steam apparently. Oh, yeah, this one works. I was thinking about maybe I ruined this one too, but no, I did not ruin it at all. So anywho, come on, activate. Oh, no, don't tell me it disappeared all of a sudden. No way. I think the drift is still here. Yeah, here we go. The drift is still here. I'm not doing nothing. The drift is still a thing. To fix it, I have the worst situation. I'll probably have to change the Joy-Con. If you want to see that, you can leave a like, subscribe, and do all the good stuff. If I get 100 likes on this, I am going to try to solder on a new Joy-Con for this controller. Otherwise, we're gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna put all the screws in, everything else in, and leave the controller as a spare one, and I'm gonna buy a new one. Unfortunately, those logically they should work, especially the disassemble one and cleaning inside. But I don't know if it's a very user-friendly thing, and it kind of sucks that you bought a controller for a lot of money and it has drift. Why? Why is that a thing? And it's not only a Joy-Con now. You can get it with this. You can get that problem with the Nintendo Pro controllers. You can get it with the PlayStation 5 controllers, and I heard about some other ones, but that sucks. Unfortunately, I couldn't fix it myself, but your mileage may vary. As far as I can see, nothing helped. So maybe the videos are wrong.